Hello, Princess House Patty fans. I am here to let you know about the specials that I'm doing right now. And I'm so excited because last week was my 15 years with being with Princess House. And because of that, I am sharing the love and doing a quick mystery hostess party. So that's first. I wanted to share with you. Sorry, I just wanted to make sure that we got on here. So how this mystery hostess is going to work. Are you ready? All you need to do, so let me just check this out. All you have to do is first share this video. I had a previous post, so if you shared that one, you're already in it. So all you need to do is join me here. So if you're joining me now, you're already in the game. All right? You want to place an order, and I'm going to put the link below, or you can see it in the previous post. Place an order before this video ends. You're going to get 10 tickets, okay? 1 ticket for each item that you order, 1 ticket for sharing this video, 5 tickets for orders over $100, 5 more tickets for scheduling a fun virtual or home or catalog healthy workshop this October, 1 ticket for sharing the previous post as well, okay? And I'm going to draw 1 lucky winner unless we get enough orders for 1 lucky super premium hostess winner and another host winner. All right? Also, because it is my 15 years with Princess House, I want to pamper you. So, the first 15 people that place an order are guaranteed to have in their order one of the following extra gifts from me to celebrate my 15 years. The first one is going to be a Moderna shot glass. I know you guys have those Moderna shot glasses. The second one is going to be our Heritage Cordial. The next one is going to be our Heritage bowl with plastic lid. And I'll post pictures of all of these afterwards. I just wanted to get on real quick to let you know. Another one is going to be our surprise gift. And then when we reach our 15 orders, I will spin. You know I have my spinner wheel. And 1 lucky winner will get to choose a 3 booking gift. A 3 booking gift. And you know our 3 booking gifts value from $120 all the way up to $195. Okay, so let me show you. So our 3 booking gifts, and the link is in the post as well with the 3 booking gifts. So these are our 3 booking gifts. Okay, you can get the mixing bowls, you can get the Marbella stirring bowls, you can get the 9-quart, you can get the hot beverage, the coffee mugs, or you can get the stirring casserole, okay? The 8-quart stirring casserole. That's an extra gift when we achieve 15 orders, guys. All right? So, now, because they extended the early birds, and I am so excited about these early birds. Look at these early birds. They extended for this last week. These all end this week. This is going to be our quickest mystery hostess because place your orders today and tomorrow. Our hostess is going to be able to select our Holiday Elegance platter that retails for $79.95 for $17.95. Our Holiday Elegance tea coffee pot with the sugar and creamer. This retails for almost $118 for $24.95, plus a $150 shopping spree, in addition to their free credit at a $350 party. $350 party, we have to get minimum in orders, okay? And with that $350 party, our mystery hostess is going to be able to get the 5-quart brazier. Stainless steel 5-quart brazier retails for $144.95 for only $24.95. Okay? Then, when we get to our premium hostess, that's a $550 party, and I'm going to give back the booking. You normally get the $155 shopping spree. You're going to qualify for the brazier. You're going to qualify for all of these, plus that $150 shopping spree. You get to choose. So, if you're watching this with me, which one are you going to choose? Are you going to choose the ruby red pitcher with glasses, 12 of the glasses, or a $250 shopping spree? So comment below, shopping spree or ruby red? Shopping spree, ruby red. Because when we achieve a $550 party, do you know what that means? That means our mystery hostess is going to receive $555 worth of credit for $89.95. That is amazing. Next, our winner, when we get to $750 in sales, becomes a super premium, and they have to make another choice. All right, let me know. Share some love. Show me some love, okay? I need to see some hearts. Show me some love. I need some love. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So I need to see some love. Share me some love. Hearts, hearts, hearts. When we get to $750 in sales, you get to choose one of the following. Okay? So you get to choose the 14-inch 21-quart stock pot with the huge long handle. Retails for almost $350 for $79.95. Or you can select our Culinario 9-piece knife block set. Retails for almost $400, okay, for $99.95. I love our German steel cutlery. Or even huger, this is our OMG. Are you ready for this? Our stainless steel classic 60-quart stock pot with steaming rack retails for $560, almost, for $129.95. Now, our mystery hostess only pays tax and shipping, and our hostess doesn't pay for their hostess items no more than $25 for everything to be shipped to them. Okay? And you pay for whatever hostess items you get. So invite your friends. This is going to be so much fun. Okay? I wonder who's going to take it all. Is it going to be you? All right. So which one would you select? The cutlery, the stock pot, the 60-quart. So cutlery, 60-quart, or 21-quart? Which one? Okay. So I will be posting the link below. And let's see if we can achieve our 15 orders so I can give away a 3-booking gift. And every order, like I said, is going to receive an extra gift. The first 15 orders is going to receive the extra gifts of the Moderna shot glass, the Heritage Cordial, and the Heritage 16-ounce bowl with plastic lid. Okay? So the shot glass is 2.5 ounces, the cordial's 2 ounces. Or it could be a surprise gift. All right? So have a spectacular day. Tell your friends. It's time. It's Mystery Hostess time. They have to click on it now. All right? Let me see. Thank you so much. Buenos dias. Fabuloso. Share, share, share. Have a good one. Remember, share those hearts. Love, love, love. We like the emoji with the heart. And we love the wow emoji. Okay? So if you have those, share those. All right. Have a great day, guys.